Here's a quick video to show you how to set up the watering on a smart greenhouse. This one's an S24, but the principles apply to all of them. On the left hand side we've got a water tank, which might be a water butt or whatever tank you have, and then the pump drops into that, connects to the hose, and that runs up with the wire through the inline filter. Make sure that goes the right way, and you can open that up to clean it. It goes through the greenhouse. There's a couple of holes with grommets, and then on the inside you've got a 90-degree elbow running down to what we call the riser pipe or the distribution pipe, and that's clipped into these white pipe clips which are bolted to the crossbar. There's one of those on each of the levels. At the very bottom of that riser pipe you've got an end stop. For each shelf you put a 13 to 14mm barb or joiner, and then from that you can put your 4mm irrigation. This is just a single dripper. On this particular shelf it comes out here and then runs up to some sprayers. Here we're using a 4mm tap if you want to turn off the dripper. In reality you might have more drippers running across the whole watering tray, or even drippers put in the pots themselves, and these are ground stakes to hold them in the right place. On the top shelf of the S24 you'll need two separate trays to allow room for the lid lifter piston to swing. You can use wide watering trays, or you can even leave a gap if you've got plants that need more height or more light. Here we've got normal seed trays just sitting on capillary mat, which you might also put in a watering tray if you want. And then at the bottom you've got larger containers, or even growing in the ground. So that's the S24 watering. The other greenhouses are pretty much exactly the same, where the water comes in on the left, down through the riser pipe, and then you've got distribution using your 4mm lines.